Hello everybody, what do you think about these two new works? I'm showing you both of them because they need comparing, I think. This one, the two tigers, definitely two tigers, but if you look at their faces, they could be one head staring back at you. Whereas this one, you think it's one tiger, but as you look at him, it could be two tigers face to face, and they may even be kissing. So when I made this one, I thought I'd sort of said it all really, and couldn't see the point in making this one, but I designed it and made it to work on. So I thought, oh, I may as well just complete it. And I'm really glad I did, because I think it's worked out really well. I love the tails with the Marini, don't you? And of course, it's one of the heart series. I've made lots of these heart ones, which we've talked about before. But I think this one is really successful. And as usual, I've written an accompanying verse which goes like this. These two tigers like to play. They were spotted the other day. They thought they were in jeopardy, but they were being leopardy. So, how many tigers are we looking at here? Two or one? One or two? And, of course, Mr. Hodge.